of Parliament Francis Munywa Waititu has been laid to rest in his home in Juja. Leaders and Juja residents led by President Uhuru Kenyatta have termed the late lawmaker as a dedicated and a servant to many. Josh Onsare now reports.
It was a scene that has become all too familiar lately. The funeral services of an honorable member.
Enyi malaika wa Mungu njooni, malaika wa Bwana pokeeni roho ya huyu marehemu tuliyekuja kumuaga, mkaipeleke roho yake kwa aliye juu.
This time, Juja constituency was bidding farewell to their member of parliament, Francis Munywa Waititu, well known as Wakape. The funeral of the celebrated politician was attended by top national leaders, among them President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta remembered their friendship with the late Munywa, eulogizing him as a leader to be emulated.
Mwenzetu hakuwa mdhaifu, alikuwa mtendakazi, alikuwa mpenda wananchi, alikuwa mpenda amani. Alikuwa mtu ambaye roho yake ilikuwa roho safi na roho ya ukarimu. Hakuna mtu mmoja ambaye angemwambia weka kando, sitakushughulikia. Mimi ninamjua miaka mingi sana. Hata mbele anifike kuwa rais, tulikuwa marafiki.
Other leaders present eulogized Wakape as a passionate and a dedicated leader who served his people with dedication.
We have lost a passionate person. We have lost a humble person. Na tumepoteza a very generous person.
Ningependa kutuma risala zangu za rabirabi za familia yangu na za watu wa Kiambu. Na tumwambie pole sana. I know you have gone a long journey na ugonjwa wa mheshimiwa wetu Wakape na mumesaidia. We are proud of you as a family.
Na kwa record yote ya viongozi wa Juja, ile kitu ambaye yeye ameonyesha kama ishara ni kwamba watu wanaweza kusema mengi, wanaweza kukosana kwa uongozi, walakini sisi tunabaki binadamu na tunakuwa watu ambaye wanaheshimiana.
The late Francis Munywa, who is a son, brother, husband, a father and a grandfather, will be missed by his family, constituents and the nation.
My husband was a man of the people, a man who stood by his family throughout, a man who was a hero to all who knew him, a man who loved unconditionally, a man who believed in sharing and caring, a man who put a smile on people's faces.
Today I mourn not only my father, but I also mourn my best friend and I also mourn my boss. I was privileged to have worked under the leadership of my dad from 2015 as his personal assistant.
Wakape succumbed to brain cancer that he had braved for a long time. Francis Munywa Waititu having been laid to rest today, the electorate of Juja constituency will wait for a constitutional process to be followed as they head for a by-election to get a leader who is going to continue giving them service. Josh Onsare, TV 47, Juja.
May his soul rest in